बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म है ये। बेसिकली एक इट्स बेसिकली अ लव स्टोरी सेट, जिसको मैं कहती हूँ इन द डार्क अंडरबेली ऑफ मुंबई। इट्स अबाउट दिस वुमन शोभना एंड द 3 men इन हर लाइफ।
आज एक्चुअली एक रवीना जो शोभना प्ले कर रही है उसके एक हेलुसिनेशन का हिस्सा, नाइटमेयर जिसे कहते हैं हमारी लैंग्वेज में, मैं ये कहूँगा कि मैं उसका ड्रीम हूँ, लेकिन फिलहाल वो नाइटमेयर में मुझे दिख रही है। So we are picturizing a bit sequence of it, and what's interesting is that it's a one-shot sequence.
And it's very interesting story because it deals with the whole story being set in 7 nights. So how what happens in those 7 nights and how her life changes.
I play Ravina's housekeeper, and I really like the role because it's very quiet. I mean, normally I get to play. She's strong. Someone was telling me, but you play strong parts. I said, yeah, I play strong parts, but for once, ये कैरेक्टर ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत बोलती है। सब कुछ मतलब उसके पर्सोना और उसकी आंखों में और उसकी बिहेवियर में है, rather than lots of talking.
जो भी मैं आउटफिट पहनी हुई हूँ थोड़ा ऐसे डेविलिश काइंड ऑफ, पूरा एक ड्रीम काइंड ऑफ सीक्वेंस चल रहा है। नाइटमेयर, ड्रीम कुछ बुला लो, हेलुसिनेशन बुला लो, वैसा सीक्वेंस चल रहा है। That's why the red and the red lipstick. So let me clarify that.
Yeah, I'm one of the men in her life. The other being Anupam Kher, who's a fantastic actor. I don't need to say anything about him. He's great fun on the set. He's a treasure trove of stories, and there is also the young stud in the film. Who actually I introduced as an actor. His name is Amit. He's playing Ravina's toy boy, and we introduced him in our production called Punk. He is an extremely good actor and a force to reckon with in the future. And well, I'm just happy to be part of this ensemble cast film.
दोनों एक्टर्स जो है रवीना टंडन और अमित जो है, जो किरदार निभा रहे हैं, वो एक नशे में आ जाते हैं और फिर उनको पता नहीं चलता कि वो क्या सच्चाई देख रहे हैं, क्या झूठ, क्या सच। उनका फर्क नहीं समझ पाते हैं उस नशे में, और जो भी उनके दिमाग में जो वॉइसेस चल रहे हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक्चुअली जाहिर हो जाते हैं एक्चुअल रूप में, और जो लोग वो नहीं देखना चाहते, जो लोग कभी मिले नहीं है, वो भी मिल जाते हैं उसी एक रूम में। तो इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड शॉट।
They are great actors first of all, and they are very helpful, cooperative on the sets, and I'm trying to learn so many things from them, and I hope अगर आपके करियर के बिगनिंग में आपको ऐसे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करना मिले तो इट्स लाइक अ ब्लेसिंग।
I've worked with Anupam ji since a long time. He's fantastic to work with. In the most serious of scenes, he will maru his one-liners and get all of us laughing, and he'll relax the atmosphere absolutely.
बहुत ही मैजिकल है। You will be completely blown by the effect it has on you as a viewer, and also the artists. We've got very experienced artists like Ravina ji, Anupam ji, and Rohit ji, who are extremely trained, and then we have got a new person, a fresher like Amit, who has done a fabulous job, and this whole combination has become really a very exciting combination to watch.
I've done Sudipto's first film, Punk, in which I played one of the leads, and I know his style. So this particular sequence is a sequence which is a kind of a hallucination she's having. I would say almost like a nightmare.
Experience has been with all my actors, has been brilliant. I've worked with Lilette before, I've worked with Amit before. It's the first time I'm working with Anupam ji and Ravina. Ravina is as usual ravishing, and Anupam ji there are no words to say about Anupam ji. He's a class apart, and Rohit also is playing a very important character in the film. He's playing Ravina's ex-husband. So he's also put in that extra bit of madness because we wanted all the characters to get into that mad zone.
With Rohit, I'm working, I know him socially, but working with him for the first time, again, it's very comfortable. It's a very, I think it was a very comfortable, yeah, it's been good fun. Like,
It's a very different way of doing a song. It's a very different way of doing say, a dream, because it's the camera, it's the performance, which is also a little bizarre. Because sapne mein log, they don't behave like they behave in normal life. So it's a very interesting scene.
I can't reveal much about this scene, but this is in a very mad space of the film. जब इस फिल्म में सीन आएगा तो ये जो कहानी के एकदम बीच में आता है, मतलब जब आप शोभना 7 नाइट्स के 3 या 4 रातें देखने वाले होते हैं और इंटरवल के आसपास, अभी तक ऐसा प्लान है कि वो इंटरवल के आसपास आएगा, एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सीन ऑफ द फिल्म, आई मस्ट से.